Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on what you do to download and start playing Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. So what you want to do is on the homepage of the Nintendo Switch, go down and click where it says the Nintendo eShop. We're going to select that. Then it's going to ask you which profile that you want to open up the Nintendo shop with. If you only have one profile, then that's the one that it's going to be. I'm going to be selecting my main profile, and then it takes us into the Nintendo eShop. And what we want to do at this point is go up to where it says search/browse, and then go over to where it says enter keyword. We're going to, in that search bar, start to type in Fortnite. All you have to do is type F, and right at the top it says Fortnite Battle Royale. Just select that so you don't have to type out the whole thing. And then you can just go over and click where it says search down there in the bottom right-hand corner. And then that should take us over and help us find that Fortnite game that we're going to add to our Switch. So we're going to go ahead and select Fortnite. Now, as you can see, I have already downloaded Fortnite on my Nintendo Switch in the past. So it's asking me if I want to re-download it. If this is the first time that you're putting Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch, it will be a free download. So right in this area, just click where it says free download. Then it will ask you to confirm the free download. So you click the free download option again, and then it should at that point start downloading Fortnite onto your Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to go ahead and click re-download right here, and then it says starting re-download. You can check download status on the home menu. Depending on the server status, the download might not begin immediately, so we're going to click OK on that. And now I'm going to go back to my home screen, clicking the little home button on my Nintendo Switch controller, and then right here we can see that it is now downloading Fortnite. So we have to wait for it to go through that download process. It's just going to depend on how quick your internet connection happens to be, how fast it ends up downloading. And as soon as Fortnite is done downloading, at that point, just go ahead and click on that tile on your carousel, select the user that you want to use to open up Fortnite with, and then it's going to prepare the software, and it'll just take a little bit of time for it to load you into the game. And it will prompt you to click the L and R on the controller that you'd like to use, and then click A when you're ready, and then press A to start. And then it is going to log you in to your Fortnite. You can read the end user license agreement, accept or decline. So we're going to accept in this instance. And then again, logging in to your Fortnite account. And it might take you to an intro screen. If you want to skip over it, just hold down B for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then once you're loaded in, it'll give the option, if you want, you can buy a battle pass. And if you don't want to do that, go ahead and click B on your controller. And at this point, if you want to get over to the play menu, just cycle through by clicking L or R to cycle yourself through all the different pages. And you should eventually get over to where it says play. And then once you're on the play screen, all you have to do is click X on your Switch controller, and that should get you into playing some Fortnite. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you can go about downloading and then playing Fortnite for free on your Nintendo Switch. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.